guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is the 8th of July, 2025. Can you believe we're already in July? It's wild. We're going to go over the news today, ladies and gentlemen. There is quite a bit to go through. Cup and handle breakout. Bitcoin targets 230K and Solana could skyrocket to 4,390 US dollars. That is mind-blowing. Ripple and XRP may be about to rip. We're going to go through that. Why institutions are suddenly choosing Ethereum over Bitcoin. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF now surpasses 700,000 Bitcoin, which is wild to think about that. We have President Donald Trump's Truth Social Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF getting acknowledged by the SEC, which is fascinating. And of course, we're going to go over some posts on X. So make sure you stick around, as well as Curve Octobots. There is a big update that's come out today. Let's get into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see on the channel, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this insane journey. It's been crazy and very, very good. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence for this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto and any other investment. So please be careful out there. Now, formalities are out of the way. Coming straight over to the community tab, we do have the new Octobot grid trading strategies, which are live on Octobot and EarnCurve. We have XRP, of course, that is a grid strategy, which I'm currently running. We have Solana now, which is available on Octobot. You can see that. We also have Ethereum, so you can trade Ethereum on there with a grid bot. That has had in the last 6 months 31%, which is insane. It's not a guarantee, but that's pretty good. And of course, Cardano, as well as Bitcoin. So there's a few there. And of course, you can customize it with artificial intelligence. Now, we have top ETF coins in my portfolio. And again, I've got a list on that, and I'm going to show you in a second. We have TRX, XRP, BNB, and Bitcoin. Banking coins, Solo. We have Corium, XDC, which is a gem, and Celo. And top altcoins, we did have Reef, Solo, XDC, and Pipple. So it's pretty bullish stuff. Now, coming over to CoinMarketCap today, let's just have a look here at the total crypto market cap. It is down a little bit today, sitting at 3.34 trillion. Volume is at 100 billion, which is nice. Of course, with Wall Street being open, there's been $278 million in inflows. Fidelity has been buying up, which is good. We're at 25 out of 100 on the altcoin season index, and we're at 50 on the fear and greed index, which is neutral. Now, I'm going to come over to here because this is now actually my watch list, my actual portfolio, the top gainers, which is interesting right here. Let me just go here in the top 24 hours. Is obviously, let me bring it up here. So we've got Sologenic, which is up 20%. T-Fuel, Sia Coin, Reef, and XDC are doing incredibly well. Coming over to here, I do have watch list, the banking coins. Now, these are the top banking coins in my portfolio, which you all should have a list, which is Sologenic, SHX, Celo, Mobi, Corium, XDC. Now, coming over to what's in there, let's just go through this, of course, by market cap. Bitcoin is in there. We have Ethereum, XRP, Solana. Again, there's some pretty crazy price predictions for this. Cardano, Chainlink, XLM, AVAX, Hedera, Algorand, WorldCoin, Quant, Flare, XDC, IOTA. Gone over Celo and Sologenic. Casper, LCX, again, is real world utility in this list. Constellation DAG. Stronghold, again, that's up 14%. Corium, 4.3%. Energy Web Token is the project that is carbonizing token credits. Carbonizing. Basically putting carbon credits on the blockchain is what I'm trying to say. It's been a long day. Electronium right here as well. That is in the banking portfolio, and Nexra. And of course, I've got another list here, which I'm going to go through right now. Let me just scroll down. This is the ETF list. So these are all the cryptocurrencies that currently are pending the SEC approvals. Again, for Wall Street, there's a lot of them here. Of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum's already got one. We have XRP, BNB, Solana, Tron, Doge, Cardano, Sui, Chainlink, Hedera, Litecoin, Polkadot, President Donald Trump's meme coin, Say, and Axel right here, Alexa, which is interesting. Now, moving over, yes, we do have EarnCurve, guys. Go sign up, earncurveinvest.com, register an account, KYC, and I'll apply a 10% discount on all of your trading fees. And of course, that is when you KYC. Coming over here, as you can see, I'm running the Solana grid bot at the moment. That is working really well. It has made a lot of trades today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 trades. And again, I'm running that, of course, on the new Solana Frenzy grids trading strategy right here. So go sign up to that. You can basically run this. Last month it's been up 1.67%. So again, the market is down. So again, the performance is going to be, basically on the market price. As you can see, coming back to coin market cap in the day, it's down 1.65%. 7 days, let's have a look. It's down 0.52%. The last month, 0.09%. In the last year, it's up 12.76. So again, it is buying and selling on that. Just letting everyone know. But this will do it automatically for you. And yes, with these price predictions coming up with Solana, it's going to be pretty wild. And again, the subscription for Octobot is $9.99 USD per month, which is nothing. I spend more than that on coffee, believe me, a day. And of course, you can run multiple crypto baskets and the grid trading strategies, which is pretty bullish, ladies and gents. Let me just close these notifications right here. Now, coming over to, of course, the cup and handle breakout, which is, again, technical analysis. I'm not that bullish on TA because I'm more about real world utility, as everyone knows, but it's fascinating to see these predictions and I like to have fun with them. Again, we have Bitcoin at the time of writing is being mirrored by Solana on the higher time frame price charts right here. And an ex-post technical analyst, trader Trigard right here, forgive me, I can't pronounce his name right now, observed that both Bitcoin and Solana have been forming cup and handle patterns on monthly charts. In fact, the former had broken out a few months ago right now, while Solana had been waiting patiently for its turn right here. So we can see that cup and handle pattern for those technical analysis people right there, that we could see a potential breakout to 4,390 USD, in value, which is insane. Bitcoin is following the M2 money supply as well, so it's moving up closer towards the 230,000 US dollar mark, which is wild to think about that. Let me know in the comments what you think, in your opinion, Solana and of course Bitcoin and XRP will go to. I'm always curious about that. Moving on, we have Ripple's price about to rip. Most of everyone out there will miss it. This is what this analyst is saying. And XRP's consolidation has continued for weeks now, as the asset has been trading within a tight range between $2 and $2.30, with very few breakout attempts. However, one analyst has outlined a bullish technical pattern that could result in a substantial price pump for the fourth largest digital asset. Looks like to be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern, setting the stage for a potential breakout towards $2.60. I think we're all just sitting back waiting for this one, to be honest with you, but we'll see how we go. Why investors are suddenly choosing Ethereum. I know Tom Lee is very bullish on Ethereum at the moment. He's been pretty adamant on some Bitcoin price predictions going parabolic. But we have Ethereum is slowly becoming the top choice for institutions with its real-world utility, rising ETF inflows, and growing role in tokenized finance. Major institutions are shifting from Bitcoin to Ethereum. I think everybody's going to be shifting to cryptocurrencies in general, but Bitcoin is definitely a store of value, a hedge against inflation. Ethereum and XRP and, of course, Solana, all of the cryptocurrencies that are pending ETF approvals, they have real-world utility. But Ethereum also took the spotlight at the Cannes and Ethereum Community Conference, turned in the famous film venue into a hub for crypto leaders and builders, which is interesting. And the event showcased how Ethereum is becoming the backbone of modern finance. They seem to forget about Ripple and XRP, don't they? Recently, Robinhood also made headlines by launching tokenized US stocks on Ethereum's Arbitrum network for European users. This news pushed the stock above $100 for the first time, which shows rising support from, of course, Ethereum for major players, which is interesting. Moving on, we have BlackRock surpassing 700,000 Bitcoin. That is insane to think about that. And again, look at this. It's worth approximately $75.5 billion after registering another $164.6 million inflow on Monday this week. And look at that dollar cost averaging right there. They're buying no matter what the market is doing. If you follow this, again, this is pretty wild. But if you follow this strategy of dollar cost averaging, you're not really worrying about, of course, where the market's going to be or the best entry point. They're just buying, okay? So you can take a leaf out of their book, do what you will with that. We have the SEC acknowledging Trump's Truth Social Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, which is, of course, he is the big man right there. But they officially starts the clock for the US securities regulator to decide on the proposed Bitcoin and Ether combined exchange traded fund. And of course, I don't believe that the SEC is going to deny the president's own ETF. I'm just saying. Moving down right here again, yes, the Reserve Bank did keep Australian interest rates on hold, which is very frustrating at 3.85%. That needs to be changed because a lot of people are struggling out there, moving to alternative ways to generate income. That is why I wrote Money Never Sleeps. And of course, started my own crypto exchange in regards to crypto trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, because again, everything else is just ridiculous, to be honest. Securities Exchange Commission is pushing issuers to amend and refile applications for spot Solana ETFs as well. And we could see this hinting, faster than expected approvals, hopefully by the end of this month. So let's see what happens with that. BlackRock just bought another 1,388 Bitcoin, which is crazy. Fidelity's Solana ETF filing was just delayed as expected. This is James Seifert right here, Bloomberg analyst. We're still waiting for some movement from the SEC on a generalized digital asset ETP framework. There you go. Excuse me. Now, again, we do have this interesting video with XRP. I need to just play it for you guys because it's absolutely awesome. Have a listen to this, guys. Let me just play this right here.
Is becoming a bank, and you have no idea what this means for XRP. Let me break it down in simple terms. XRP would become the first crypto fully integrated into the global banking system, putting XRP at the center of trillions in cross-border payments. Ripple isn't just partnering with banks anymore, it's becoming one.
That's absolute truth. It is becoming its own bank. We have Paul Grewal, title, registers, mortgages, rental payments. Crypto is going to change it all for the better if we just let it. Coinbase Institute explains how. So this is all going to be moving onto the blockchain. And we have Nate Garassi right here. Reuters confirms the SEC is working on creating a full framework to streamline approval for spot crypto ETFs. So everyone needs to be a little bit patient. That's what I believe anyway. And of course, yes, go sign up to Octobot and of course, EarnCurve, register an account, and you guys will be able to start trading here pretty nicely. It's awesome. And working very hard on the multi-grid bot. So basically you can trade as many grid bots as you'd like on EarnCurve. That can be, of course, with Bitcoin, Solana, it could be XRP, it could be Ethereum, Cardano, whatever you like, as many as you like, which is amazing. So working very hard on that. But there you go. I love it. Go join up to EarnCurve, guys. I'm out. I'll be posting up in the community tab tonight. So have a good night, good afternoon, good morning. And if it's morning, have a double shot espresso. Peace out, balls.